So in traditional WAN, what we are doing is we are managing all the components of a network. In SD-WAN, we will be managing all the components of the network. From where? From a centralized point, right? What we call that centralized point? We call that centralized point my vManage, right? I will tell you in future. Clear? So in case of traditional network, so if I have to differentiate it, in case of traditional network means we need to configure each and every device individually. Second, in case of SD-WAN, this will be centralized. Every device will be managed from vManage. Every device. So all your configuration, right, whitelisting, policies, templates, security, everything will be done from my vManage, right? So this is one of the main benefit, one more main benefit of using SD-WAN, that there will be a centralized management of all the devices. There is no individual management, right? Fine. So guys, if you have any questions, you can ask now. I'm here to answer it. Right. So many times people ask me, if someone asks me why SD-WAN, right? So you can answer him like this. If you can explain him the inefficiencies that we have for the traditional WAN networks, first thing. Second thing, you can tell him that in case of SD-WAN, we are going to manage and operate large enterprise networks, enterprise WAN networks. Now many people have this question in mind that Piyush, if we deploy SD-WAN or if we use SD-WAN, are we removing MPLS? No, it is not like this. Fine. You will understand how SD-WAN will work, right? So SD-WAN is just a new way of deploying WAN. I'm not saying connecting WAN, right? I'm saying deploying WAN. When I'm saying deploying WAN, how your WAN traffic will go from one side to another, that we have to see how it is different in SD-WAN, right? So that we will discuss. So SD-WAN is used to manage and operate large enterprise WAN networks, right? What is the first benefit? The first benefit is single management plane. What do you mean by that? If you talk about traditional networks, how you are managing them? You are managing each and every device individually. That is not with the case of SD-WAN. In SD-WAN, all the components of the networks are managed centrally, right? And we call it a single management plane, right? After that, there are few more benefits that we will discuss time to time, right? So keep this thing in mind. There are two types of SD-WAN solution Cisco is selling nowadays. First one is Meraki. Second one is Viptela. We will be focusing only on Viptela solution, not on Meraki solution, right? First thing. Second thing, Meraki is there for the small enterprises and Viptela is there for the large enterprises, right? So just let me give you an overview of it also, if you want to remember. Can you see here? Cisco Viptela enterprise level SD-WAN solution supporting complex WAN topologies with a higher degree of customization. Cisco Meraki SD-WAN solution with a basic level of customization designed for small and medium sized organizations. Right? Any problem in understanding this, guys? If you have any question, you can ask. When you are saying multiple links, what do you mean by that? So my friend, in both the cases, in traditional also and in the case of SD-WAN also, we are managing it in the same way, right? So if you have seen in the organization where you work that on the on the MPLS link you have a BGP neighborship, right? And on the internet based link you have default routes, right? In case of SD-WAN also configuration everything will remain same, but how two sites gonna communicate, that will be the crux or change here, right? How two sites gonna communicate, that will be the crux and change here. So I hope you are clear with this. Any problem you can let me know.